Hello everyone, it's Mr. Allen again for our Golden Ticket Assembly. Yes, it's that time of the week. It's Friday, the 16th of October, and we're here for years 3, 4, 5 and 6 for all of those children who've been working super hard, earning themselves a golden ticket and sharing the load, which is what Mr. Allen was asking everyone to do this week. We're starting with year 3, and in year 3, Miss White's class, this person is an asset to our class. They always work hard and try their best. Their work is beautifully presented and they think carefully about everything they've been asked to do. They are fantastic every day. Mr. Allen can ask for no more. The golden ticket goes to Fiona. Well done, Fiona. Look at you, absolute superstar. Always got a smile on your face, always ready to learn and doing your absolute best. So really, really well done. Enjoy your treats. Look after this golden ticket. Well deserved. Thank you. Mr. Ackerman's class, here we go. This child has had a great start to year 3. She's been reading at least 5 times a week and has been a very enthusiastic learner. She's been trying her best and has been a good example to others. Fantastic. So I want everyone to be an amazing example to everyone else so they can copy and earn the golden ticket as well. Golden ticket goes to Ruby. Look at her. Absolutely amazing in everything she does. And you'll see proudly holding her school council badge. So she became a school council member and was voted in as well, but that is because she is amazing, absolutely amazing. So well done, Ruby, huge congratulations. Maybe you can share your treats with your sister. Who knows, it's up to you. Okay, well done. Moving on to year 4. Miss Barrett's class. This child works hard in every lesson, has a great sense of humour and a really remarkable reading record. They set a brilliant example for others and are a delight to teach. They certainly are. Really, really well done to Lily. Look at Lily, look at her, absolutely. Reading at least once every day. Lily, I'm so proud of you, hun. Thank you. You are a super example of what we want children to do with their reading and with their work throughout. You can be star worker virtually every day. I know Miss Barrett says that about you as well. So huge congratulations. And again, maybe you can share your treats with your sisters as well. Who knows, it's up to you, hun, but really, really well done. Moving on. Mr. Pinner's class. No, Mr. Pinner's class. Here, it just sums up. Conscientious. Gives 100% in everything. Considerate and patient. We're lucky to have her in our class. Golden ticket goes to Alana. Well done, Alana. Look at that. Describes you beautifully. Okay, Miss Pinner goes on to say about how conscientious you are, always giving 100%, considerate and patient work partner, always trust her that any job I give her will be done well and with a minimum of fuss. And we are very lucky. We're very lucky to have you in school actually, Alana, so really well done, hun. Huge congratulations, enjoy your treats and look after your golden ticket. Thank you. Moving on. In year 5, here we go. Look, Miss Arthurton. This week our golden ticket winner is a person who reads every day, has a positive attitude to learning and puts 100% into everything. They certainly do. And the winner is Amber. Look at Amber. Absolutely brilliant, Amber. Thank you so much. Because if people just copy you, we'll have lots and lots of golden ticket winners. So huge congratulations. Again, maybe you can share your treats with your brothers and sisters. I don't know. It's up to you, hun. But really, really well done. And I'm proud of you. Thank you, Amber. Moving on. Miss Musselwhite's class. This child always gives everything 100%, even when the learning is difficult. They are a panda, so that's their inner animal, and they never give up. They are kind and helpful to adults and their peers. This child reads every day, as well as completing lots of extra home learning. They are a mile-crossed child through and through. They really are, absolutely, every single day. Huge congratulations, Janisa! There she is. You've got amazing writing going on there, but she is working so hard every single day and never gives up. Doesn't always find things easy, but just tries. So really well done, well deserved. And again, maybe you can share your treats with your sister. Well done, Janisa. Thank you. Moving on to year 6, here we go. Look, Miss Percy's class. This week's golden ticket in 6JP is awarded to someone who never ever gives up. Their resilience and effort in all subjects makes them an excellent role model to the rest of the year group, and they have impressed all staff in year 6 since returning to school. They are always positive and kind to others. Thank you so much. It's making Mr. Allen's job much easier. Kyle, there he is, Kyle, doing his science there, looking at the pig's heart and doing all that work that they're doing in year 6. Absolutely amazing, Kyle. Thank you, Kyle. You are a superstar. You quietly get on. Always just getting on, doing the right thing every single day. Thank you, huge congratulations, and enjoy your treats. Thank you very much. And finally, in Mr. Davidson's class, this child comes to school with a beaming smile every day. They're hugely impressed. Mr. Coleman and I, in maths lessons, showed great perseverance when presented with challenging tasks. They read consistently and are a good friend to all, and a fantastic role model, a member of Mile Cross Primary School. And the golden ticket goes to Lola. There she is. That smile is on her face permanently. She's an absolute superstar in everything she does. Huge congratulations, Lola. Thank you so, so much. And again, maybe, who knows, you share your treats as well at home later, but congratulations and thank you. Well, well done. Finally as well, thank you to everyone, I said at the beginning, for sharing the load this week. That was my theme, that was my ask in assembly. Thank you all of you for doing that. Every single one of these golden tickets winners have done that throughout this week, every day. So thank you. Copy them if you haven't won it this week, and who knows, next week it could be you. Finally, take care, stay safe, and see you all on Monday. Bye-bye now.